What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. I know, it's dark out. It is nighttime. What are we doing making a video at nighttime? This isn't like us. Anyhow, let me just turn around. And, oh yeah, do you see that, guys? You see that back there? That would be Avy, the Corvette, lit up like a Christmas tree. And yes, we are about to go cruise around town and try and spread some more holiday cheer with this beauty. And I hear a car behind me. I'm gonna guess it's that one. I don't know who it is. Let's see. Ooh, it's a Mustang. We're about to go cruise. I'm gonna flip this camera around, show you guys the car, and I might record some of it. We'll see. We'll just have to see what happens. Anyhow, stay tuned, because here comes some awesome clips. To have done it.
We have 3 people.
Yep.
3 people.
3 people on.
Cowboy dance.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Gorgeous. I kind of wish I had like a Christmas tree to put right there now and fully decorated, but I just don't think it would work out very well. So there we go. That is so sick. And you know, I'm just gonna say this, you probably honestly really shouldn't do this on the road because the lights, but there's luminaries going on right now, and that's kind of what I want to go cruise by. And so if we do fall into trouble, some deep water, we will definitely let them know we're doing it for Christmas, and we will go ahead and turn the lights off and respect the law and whatnot, whatever. I'm sure there is one. Check that out. That is so cool. So cool. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I'm parked here at Sonic on 30th real quick to grab some food, and the reactions to this is just outstanding. So far, no trouble with any cops or anything like that. They actually seem to enjoy it. We've drove by several. Sorry, I'm freezing. It is cold, cold, cold outside. I'll say it's like 35 degrees and it's a little bit windy, but everybody loves this. Everybody's just turning their head to see if I can catch them. Too dark, that's alright. That's mine. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up, drop those comments down below. I am blinding myself with Dora right now. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this camera around, show you guys, but be sure to click that red subscribe button. If you guys enjoyed this, I really hope you do. And there we go, bright lights. We're going all out here because, as you can see, it is pitch black out here. And we got the beautiful moon. It's actually really chilly, but it is an amazing night to be doing this. And for those of you that I have stopped by your house, I just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, and thank you for letting me stop by and show you the whip. For those of you that I didn't get to stop by, Merry Christmas to you guys. And a little special something for you that didn't get to see it. If you would like to see this, it will be at 43rd and Halstead on the northwest corner. Just sitting outside at night, plugged in from during the nighttime, so it's dark like this and it's actually able to be seen. Yeah, feel free to come stop by, don't stop by, but drive by, check it out, and let me know what you think about it. I'm in love with Dora's lights. They're so bright. Like, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but dang, I can see a ton. So anyhow, let's end it off there. Man, oh man, I'm so excited. And the best part is we did not run into any trouble with any officers or anything like that. So to HPD, if you guys are watching, if you know anybody at HPD, please let them know that I appreciate them. Thank you guys very much, guys and gals. Thank you very, very much, because it's awesome to see that we passed several law enforcement officers tonight, and you know, nothing, didn't have any trouble with anything. It was amazing. And we did luminaries that are going on here in Hutch, so that was a huge attraction. I tried to tote around there quite a bit. But we're gonna end this off. We got some pickup truck coming by now, so thank you guys, and we will catch you in the next video. Have a great night.